TR here. This video will take you through the steps you need to successfully complete your bonus study skills assignment. Let's go to content. Content shall take us to this page, and you will remember that this page is in the fourth module under intellectual wellness skills, and the content page is bonus study skills discussion, and this is the content page right here. As we scroll, it talks about sharing something practical. You're going to post a study or organization strategy you use. You're going to describe how you perform the strategy, and you're going to explain why it works. Examples will clarify your strategies. Now, key points. Make sure if you don't use this template, which I'm going to show you shortly, that you do not clump your answers in one paragraph. Separate each question/topic and then answer it. So let's take a look at the template. We can open it up. And here it is. Bonus study skills. Make sure you put your name, your study organizational strategy, how you performed it, why it works, with examples to clarify. The more information you give, the better mark you'll get. Check other people's. There's some good stuff. People really have great ways of organizing themselves to study. Now, once you've done this, take a look at the marking criteria that I'll use. And it's pretty simple. Did you post a study or organization strategy, described how it worked, explained why it works, you provided examples, you used bullets to organize, and you ensured that your discussion was error-free. Simple and very straightforward. And this is how I'll mark your discussion. Now, once you've got your discussion saved in your folder, your Calm folder, you're going to submit it. So let's go to this window here. You're not going to put it in discussions. You're going to in assignments. You're going to put it in discussions. So you're going to click on the discussions link. And you're going to, I'm going to make sure that this is acceptable. And you're going to go to this link right here, the bonus study skills discussion. You're going to open this. You're going to start a new thread. You're going to start a new thread, and you're going to place your document in this thread. So you'll click on Start a New Thread, and you'll put your subject, and then you put your information. You can add a file, preferred because I've given you a template, and then you click Post. Now, if you have any questions or concerns with how to do this, please let me know using your private discussions. Thank you. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye now.